Hello there, my warriors, and welcome back to Medicare Tales and Marshmallows, where the marshmallows are soft, but the decisions are surprisingly complicated. Today, we welcome Charlene R., and don't let the southern twang fool you, she's now a proud resident of the Northeast, thanks to, wait for it, Medicare Supplement underwriting, or lack thereof.
Guilty as charged, darling. I moved for better wine and guaranteed issue rights. Not necessarily in that order.
Let's start from the top. You had a Medicare Advantage plan back in your home state. What changed?
Oh, honey, the plan was fine until it wasn't. The network was tighter than a Tupperware lid. My favorite doctor retired, and I had to drive 2 hours for a podiatrist who had the bedside manner of a wet sock.
So you decided to switch to a Medicare Supplement plan.
I sure did, but it wasn't smooth sailing. No, sugar, because I was outside my Medicare Supplement open enrollment window and didn't qualify for a special enrollment period. I would have had to go through medical underwriting in my home state. I took one look at the health questionnaire, longer than the Mississippi River, and said, "Oh no, honey, no way was I completing that thing." Some things are just better kept private, you know?
I hear ya. So what did you do?
I did some research and found states with a guaranteed issue and even found one with a birthday rule. Every year, you get a guaranteed chance to switch Medicare supplement plans without underwriting. Next thing I know, I'm calling a realtor, packing up my iced tea glasses, and heading west. But turned out that rule only applied to those already on Medicare Supplement, looking to switch from one Medigap alphabet to another.
Oh no, hopefully you hadn't sold your place yet.
Thank the Lord, no. I tried researching more on my own, but frankly, it all got so confusing and exhausting. And then my neighbor told me about her insurance lady who helped her navigate all things Medicare. She seemed happy enough with her plan, so I called him, and the rest, as they say, is history. I traded magnolias for lobsters all year long. Not bad.
Lobsters? Hold up. You moved all the way to Maine just to avoid underwriting?
Hey, did you not hear me say lobsters? Oh, and great lighthouses, too. But yep, some folks move for grandkids. I moved for Plan G with no questions asked.
Seems a bit extreme. Wasn't the move expensive?
Absolutely. My rent went up, but still nowhere near what I'd had to continue paying in out-of-pocket costs on my old Medicare Advantage plan. Let's see, what else? Oh yeah, my groceries now include gluten-free things I can't pronounce, and I had to start wearing flannel. But my Medicare Supplement premium? Locked and loaded. No medical questions, no waiting period, no, sorry, you once had arthritis, so we can't cover you.
Tell me about the move. Any adventures?
Plenty. The moving truck got stuck behind a moose migration. True story. I went from worrying about hurricanes to worrying about moose roadblocks. But you know what? It was worth it.
And how's life in Maine treating you?
Honestly, I love it, and I've become aggressively opinionated about the correct way to eat lobster.
Which is?
Bib on, butter ready, minimal talking. It's serious business.
I'll have to take your word for it. So how's the Medicare Supplement experience now that you're settled?
It's been a dream. I see the doctors and specialists I want. No networks, no referrals, no prior off scavenger hunts. Sure, I pay a monthly premium, but it's predictable. It's like buying an all-access pass to health care.
Final verdict, with a higher cost of living and a bigger mortgage, was it worth it?
It was. I know I'm sounding like a broken record, but I sleep better knowing I'm covered nationwide. No networks, no referrals. My doctors are my choice, not my plans. And I'm telling you, the cold weather makes my cheeks ruddy. That's gotta be worth something. And you really didn't have to divulge all your health history to get on the new plan? No underwriting? None. I walked into the new plan like I owned the place. The guaranteed issue loss saved me from all the medical history deep dives. Any downsides? Well, I had to get separate drug and dental plans. My vision and hearing are perfect, knock on wood, and I didn't use those benefits even when I had 'em. I do miss the warmer weather back home sometimes, usually around February when I'm chiseling ice off my windshield. But I've made new friends, found a local bakery that takes marshmallow orders seriously.
Charlene, I have to say, you might be the first person I've met who literally moved for a Medicare Supplement.
Darling, desperate times call for bold zip code changes.
What advice do you have for folks considering a switch?
Know your enrollment options, understand your state's rules, and don't be afraid to think outside your comfort zone. Sometimes the best plan comes with a new adventure. And lobsters, Kim Cam. Never underestimate a strong bowl of lobster bisque.
That's golden, or should I say marshmallow toasted. Charlene, thanks for sharing your stories with us. Next time, I'll bring the lobster bisque or clam chowder.
As long as you bring the marshmallows, too.
You got it. And there you have it, folks. If you've ever felt stuck in a plan or overwhelmed by enrollment rules, know this: geography matters. Some states make Medicare Supplement easier, some don't. But if you're like Charlene, you just might find that a change of scenery comes with a lot more peace of mind.